Hello, I am Gajanan Thakur. Today I'll teach you some of the basic things. I have taken here addition and subtraction of fractions. In first part I have taken 3 questions which are based on addition, and in second part I'll take subtraction one. So here I have taken 3 very basic questions. Here we'll come to know about the basic things with the help of these 3 questions. In first one easy, then we have got little bit different, then we have got little bit different here. So here in first questions, when I'll solve these first questions, you need to know fraction addition of fraction. So here at the first, what we have, 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11. The first question I'm going to solve it. So let's see here what we have. In this type of questions, what we do, the upper number is known as numerator and the down one is called as denominator. So we have numerator and denominator, So in denominator we have 11 and here also we have 11. In second question we have different denominators, and here also we have little different things which we'll be doing now. So at the first, what we do, we find the LCM of denominators. Now if we'll find the LCM of denominator, that we have 11 and 11. When we'll find it, we'll get 11 only. 11 ones are 11 and 11 ones are 11. So if we talk about the LCM, 11, we'll get 11 ones are 11. So the LCM is 11. So we'll write the LCM here, 11. Now second things, what we need to do it in very basic way, in very simple way I am teaching here. So here the first we have numerator here 2. So this numerator will write here, then put here multiplication sign. Now see here, 11, how many is a 11? 11, how many is a 11? So 11 ones are 11 right here. Now this plus sign as it is. Now here we have numerator 7. This numerator 7 will write here and we'll put here multiplication sign. Now similarly as we did in first case, 11, how many is a 11? So 11 ones are 11. So first part in very simple way I have done. Now second step, we'll multiply here. 2 ones are 2 plus 7 ones are 7 by 11. Now here 2 plus 7 will get here 9. Then we have denominator, we have 11 as it is. We'll write here this one. This is the solution, very simple way. Now second one, I'll do this one here. The second part, the second question. In second question, what we have here 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now again, what we'll do here, we'll take the LCM of denominators. So denominators, here we have 2 by 3 and here 1 by 5. Here 3 is denominator and here 5 is denominator. So we'll find the LCM of this 3 and 5. So when we'll find the LCM of 3 and 5, so 3 ones are 3. In the table of 3 we don't get 5, so we'll write as it is. Then we'll do here 5. 5 ones are 5. Now LCM equals to this 3 into 5. So 3 5s are 15. We got it, right? Now we write here this 3, we got 15. The denominator is 2. This 2 will write here, then multiply. Now 3, how many is a 15? 3, how many is a 15? So 3 5s are 15. Plus, now here we have 5. This numerator is 1. This will write here as it is. Into, now 5, how many is a 15? 5 3s are 15. 2 5s are 10. Plus 1 3s are 3 by this 15. Now 10 plus 3 will get 13. 13 by 15. So this is the solution of this question. The third one I have taken here. The third question is 4 by 21 plus 3 by 14. Now again what we'll do, we'll find the LCM of this denominator. Now when we'll find the LCM of this 21 and 14. 21 and 14. So let's find it out. So we'll do by 2. In the table of 2 we get 14, so we can do 21 we don't get, so as it is. 2 how many is 14, So 2 7s are 14. Done. Then we can do by 3 because in the table of 3 we get 21. 3 7s are 21 and we don't get 7, so 7 as it is. Now we'll do 7 1s are 7. So LCM equals to this 2 into this 3 into this 7. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So we got here LCM different. In first case we got same LCM. In second case we got different. But what was the part of LCM? It was 3 5s are 15. But here we have got little different. As we have here, I write this one 42. 42. Now again same process will follow here. The numerator will write here into 21. How many is a 42? 21. How many is a 42? Whenever we have a bigger number, in case of bigger number, we may not know the table, and if we will divide, it may take little more time. So in this type of questions, what we do, we have here 21. So let's check it out where we get 21. 7 3s are 21. That is 7 3s are 21. So what is left? 2 is left here. 2. These 2 will write here. It means what we understand? 21 2s are 42. Simple way. If you don't know the table, we can find out from here. Like what is there? 21. 3 7s are 21. Remove 2 is left. That 2 will write here. Plus. Now this 3 into again. If you don't know the table of 14, no need to worry. If there is a big number, you don't have to worry. You don't be bothered about tables and all. We can do from here very simple way. We don't need table. So here we have 14. Now if I'll say 14 how many are 42, it may be little difficult to you all to understand. So in this case what we do, we need 14. So let's check it out. 7 2s are 14. What we have here? 7 2s are 14. So what is left here? 3 is left. This 3 will write here. It means what we understand? It means we understand 14 3s are 42. So if you don't know table, you don't have to worry. You need not to worry for the table. This 3 here into 14 how many is 42? 14 3s are 42. That 3 we can get from here. 7 2s are 14. 3 left. That 3 we write here. Now 4 2s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9 by this 42 as it is. Now 8 plus 9 17. 17 by 42. So these are the part of the additions. These are the part of the additions. Now we'll do subtraction. Okay, now I have taken 2 questions which are based on subtraction. The question number 4, 4 by 9 minus 10 by 27. Here also we'll find the LCM of this denominator. So denominator is 9 and 27. So 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1 it is 3 1s are 3. Now we'll multiply this 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 27. This is LCM. So we got LCM 27. So raise right here 27. This 4 will write numerator as it is into 9. How much are 27? 9 3s are 27 minus this 10 as it is into 27. How much are 27? 27 1s are 27. Now 4 3s are 12 minus 10 1s are 10 by 27. Now 12 minus 10 will get 2 by 27. Very simple. This way we can do it. Now here in this question number 5, what we have got denominator 16 and 8. Now we'll find the LCM of 16 and 8. So 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are means 1 will be as it is. Now LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we'll get here 16. Now LCM is 16. The LCM is 16. Now this numerator will write as it is into 16. How many are 16? 16 1s are 16 minus this 1 numerator into 8. How many are 16? 8 2s are 16. Now 11 1s are 11 minus 1 2s are 2 by 16. Now 11 minus 2 will get 9 by 16. So this is the part of the solution. Means so today I taught you basic things based on addition and subtraction of fractions. Thank you all.